Okay, hello everyone. This is Vanessa here. So today, let me explain this question to all of you here. That looking at the question, okay, let's take a look at this question first. At a camp, Mrs. Sito arranged the pupils into 4 equal groups of boys and 5 equal groups of girls. In every group of girls, the number of girls was 5 more than the number of boys in each group. 3/8 of all the pupils at a camp were boys. So how many pupils were there altogether at the camp? So in this case, I would say that, ask your child, what is the most important statement in this? Of course, I'm not saying that all the other statements are not important, but there is one particular statement that is extremely important, that because that will help us to kickstart the question. So that would be the statement containing the relationship between the boys and the girls. And in this case, there is such a mention that how the boys and the girls are related. So you see that we were told that 3 out of 8 of all the pupils in the camp were boys. So that means to say that for every 8 pupils, right, there will be 3 boys and 5 girls. Okay, but of course I'm not saying that there are only 8 pupils and 5 girls. It is a ratio, it is a proportion. So we need to find out what is that. Okay, so now let's go back to the question here again, because we were told that the boys were actually arranged in 4 equal groups. All right, so looking at the number 3, so if I were to represent the number of boys as 3 units, I would run into a little bit of problem here, because as you can see, 3 units cannot be divided by 4 exactly. Am I right? And then as we want to get some whole number for the units, I may want, okay, to change to the equivalent fraction or equivalent ratio in this case. So I may want to change it to 12, right? And then if I were to change it to 12, then correspondingly, everything I need to multiply by 4. So 20, and then 32. So now I could say that, okay, the number of boys can be represented as 12 units, and the number of girls can be represented as 20 units, right? And then am I happy? Yep, it seems like, because 12 can be divided by 4 and 20 can be divided by 5. Why am I want to do that? Because I want to be able to express in one group, okay, how many units represent the boys and how many units represent the girls. So if I define the total number of boys as 12 units, so now I could just take 12 units, and since there are 4 equal groups, I'll divide by 4, and that gives me the answer, 3 units. All right, that means now I could say that there are 3 units of boys in every group. What about the girls now? Okay, the girls, then there will be, okay, remember in total there are 20 units. So I have 5 equal groups of girls, then divide by 5, that will give me 4 units. Am I right? So now, easy, isn't it? Because we were told that the number of girls was 5 more than the number of boys in each group. So as we can see, going by the number of units, it is just 4 units minus 3 units, and that gives me the value of 5. Okay, so 1 unit equals to 5. That's it. And how many units did we define the number of pupils as? As you can see, 32 units. So 32 units equals to 32 times 5, and this is our answer. All right, 160 pupils altogether. I hope you like it. Let me know, give me a like, and I'll produce one of such video. Okay, thank you. Have a great day, and see you. Goodbye.